Now, together, let's study a sample persuasive letter. تذكروا العناصر اللي أخذناها فيها المكونات. خلينا نشوفها الآن على الواقع. The first part, the first component, the greeting. Use an appropriate greeting depending on whether it is a formal or an informal letter. Here it is formal. شو مكتوب؟ Dear Mr. حماد, كما. هذه the greeting. Number 2, introduction. State why you are writing. نقرأ مع بعض. I'm writing in view of the recent news that instruction in all modern languages at our school will be cancelled, يلغوا, as of next year. A large proportion, جزء كبير, of the student body is extremely upset at this. منزعج من ذلك. Now the third part, which is the body. Now in the body, in 2 or more paragraphs, build up your persuasive argument. Let's see. However, there are wider implications of this move to stop teaching modern languages. In the first place, the school would lose many gifted students. Gifted يعني موهوب. This would result in falling performance, أداء منخفض يعني متنازل across the school. Another paragraph. In addition to this, the school would attract students with similar interests, which would have a negative influence, تأثير, on student well-being. It is well known that students develop empathy and awareness in a nurturing, all-inclusive environment. Nurturing يعني صحية. طيب, a third paragraph. Most worryingly, الأكثر مقلق, modern languages is a department which is growing in popularity, شعبيتها ترتفع as global job opportunities become more and more attainable. يمكن الحصول عليها. I am sure that you would not wish them to be disadvantaged by having no exposure, تعرض, to modern language teaching, بدون ما يتعرضوا إلى تعلم اللغات الحديث. الآن request, الطلب. In the request, you ask for what you want. Show that you are flexible. اظهر شوية مرونة. Therefore, خلينا نقرأ request. Therefore, if language teaching must be done by way of after school or lunchtime clubs, so be it. But cutting this area of study completely would be detrimental to both مصيري يعني to both the school and the students. So it would be detrimental, to both the school and the students. Finally, sign off. Add a sentence of good wishes before you sign off, matching your greeting. I hope you will consider this letter when deciding the future of our school. Thank you. Yours sincerely. شفتوا كيف نوقع تحت شوي على الشمال. Yours sincerely, نوال محسن. Of course, you write your name.